This is a recap of how to create the braided lock knot protective hairstyle. If you would like to watch a full video, visit my channel, but keep watching so you can see the process of how to take these braided lock knots out. Enjoy! Now it's time to take out these braided lock knots. I will be using rose water. I spray a light mist over my hair. Also using an oil of choice. I'm using Blue Magic. And these products will help reduce the frizz as you unravel your hair. So I'm going to continue to let you watch as I go through the process of taking these braids out.
Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? See you past the trouble. Now you know the meaning of it all. It all. Didn't think it happened so soon, but that one afternoon you finally moved on. Letting go of all that he said and finally cared for yourself. You really moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. It's gonna be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are. No more bleeding, can't you see you're healing? Hold on to that feeling, 'cause I know you're gonna get it right, 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 right. So right, 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 right. Didn't need it, no you didn't need it. Didn't even feel it. Told me like 100 times out loud, 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 loud. Making me proud, 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 proud. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. You've been ill for too long. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. But now you moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. It's gonna be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are.
Hey, so I just wanted to insert this clip to show you what half of my hair looks like when I took out the braided lock knots. And this is what it looks like, which I love. I'm not mad at it. And then I've just been massaging my scalp so my hair can get used to not being in those braids. Anyways, stay tuned and then you will see the final outcome later. Here you have it, the braided lock knot braid out. The protective hairstyle came out so great. As you can see, I was feeling myself. Different ways you can wear this style. Now, the only thing is, you want it to last for a long time. So one of the methods that I use to continue the style is called the pineapple method with the scarf before I go to bed. That tends to allow this hairstyle to last me a couple of days. Thank you for tuning in and keep watching till the end. Braided lock knot braid out, okay? If you like this video, please come back, thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And don't forget to come back to my channel, Locs for you to love. Later.